tired of this crap. We worked so hard putting on this makeup. That Zydrate video was just too much work though. We wouldn't even have the time. We have to leave soon. Did she hear that?
Yeah.
We should go check it out, right?
Yeah. There's an ant on the floor.
Ew. I think it's in there. You see anything?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. So what's there? I don't know. It's crazy.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, it just pops up. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. Aww.
There's my banana.
That's so cute.
Mr. Banana's been getting in a lot of trouble lately. Shame on him.
I can't feel nothing at all.